In the previous video, we have taught you how to draw a frozen snowflake, like in the 2013 movie. This time, we will demonstrate to you how to make it illuminate using 240 LED lights. If you are new to this channel, just hit the subscribe button for free. First, we will install 60 LED lights at the inner layer, which is basically the smaller hexagon and the central diamonds nearby. First, we will demonstrate it on one of the 6 branches, and then we will do the same thing for the remaining 5 branches. This is how you install the 10 LED lights on a branch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we do the same principle. We apply the same principle on the other 5 branches, doing the same thing. Second branch, third branch, fourth branch, fifth branch, and sixth branch. To make it clearer how the wiring diagram would look like, we will remove the snowflake background. After we have completed the inner layer of the snowflake, we will proceed to the middle layer. That is a little bit outer. This is basically illuminating the smaller branches, the shorter branches that are closer to the center. In the same manner, we will first apply the diagram on one branch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Essentially, the inner branches have been illuminated at the middle layer. We do the same thing for the rest of the 5 branches of the same layer. Second branch, third branch, fourth branch, fifth branch, and sixth branch. To make the wiring diagram clearer for the middle layer, we will remove the snowflake background again. The outer layer contains twice as much LED lights as the inner or the outer layer, middle layer I mean. The outer layer contains the same amount of LED lights as the inner and middle layers. Each of the 6 branches will contain 20 LED lights, because 20 multiplied by 6 equals 120. You need more LED lights at the outer layer because they are bigger in size than the inner or middle layer. We apply it first on one of the long branches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 LED lights. Notice that the outer diamonds contain two layers because these branches are longer at the outer layer. We apply the same principle of installing the 20 LED lights on each of the remaining 5 longer branches in the snowflake. Second branch, third branch, fourth branch, fifth branch, and sixth branch. To make the diagram of the wires clearer, we will remove the snowflake background again. And to make things more impressive, we will now show the entire snowflake wiring diagram with the LED lights turned on. Here is the snowflake with the background, and here it is without it. The inner and middle layers use white LED lights, while the outer layer uses blue lights to give the overall view a distinctive appearance. Blue lights have been chosen for the outer layer because that's digging deeper under the ice by Elsa in the 2013 movie Frozen. It is better to light one LED light than to stumble in the dark. This is how the frozen snowflake would look like when it is illuminated. To make it more impressive without those wires behind the LED lights, here is a neat appearance of the 240 LED lights. Inner layer, middle layer, and outer layer. Isn't that impressive how you can create a frozen snowflake with 240 LED lights like in the 2013 movie?